Hey guys, if your Wemo light switch keeps going offline, disconnects from Wi Fi, or stops responding in the app, you're in the right place. This issue is commonly caused by a weak Wi Fi signal, the switch being connected to the wrong network band, router settings changing after an update, outdated firmware, or temporary communication problems between the switch and your home network. In some cases, frequent router restarts or poor signal strength near the switch can also cause repeated disconnections. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. 1. Make sure the switch is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network with a strong signal. 2. Restart both your Wi-Fi router and the Wemo light switch to refresh the connection. 3. Move a Wi-Fi extender closer if the switch is far from the router. 4. Update the Wemo firmware and the mobile app to the latest versions. 5. Remove the switch from the app and set it up again if it continues disconnecting.